Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boost a GMC Terrain. Jump-starting your vehicle can seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's a straightforward process. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your Terrain running again safely and efficiently. First, make sure you have a set of good quality jumper cables and a second vehicle with a fully charged 12-volt battery. Safety is paramount, so always take precautions. Before connecting any cables, position the assisting vehicle so its battery is accessible to your Terrain, but ensure the vehicles are not touching. Turn off both vehicles completely and engage their parking brakes for safety. Locate the battery in your GMC Terrain, which is typically under the hood, or find the remote jump-start terminals if present. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection. Now, let's connect the cables carefully. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Terrain's battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the remaining black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of your Terrain's engine block, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground. With all cables securely connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Terrain's battery. After this brief charging period, try to start your GMC Terrain. If it starts, great. Let it run for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery. To disconnect, remove the cables in the exact reverse order. First the negative from your Terrain, then the negative from the assisting vehicle, followed by both positive cables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.